Welcome back MH Car Review, and today we are talking about something that is going to absolutely blow your mind. This is not just a car. This is not just a camper. This is a rolling palace on wheels, and it is called the 2026 Bugatti Luxury Camper Concept. The moment you lay your eyes on this machine, you forget everything you have ever seen before, because nothing on this planet comes even close to what Bugatti has created here. So sit back, relax, and let us get into every single detail of this breathtaking vehicle. Let us start with the exterior, because the first thing that hits you is the sheer visual drama of this machine. Bugatti has taken their legendary design philosophy and stretched it across a full-size luxury motorhome, and the result is something that looks like it came straight out of a science fiction movie. The body is finished in a stunning pearl white with a subtle metallic shimmer that changes tone depending on how the light hits it. The silhouette is long, aerodynamic, and incredibly smooth. It almost looks like a high-speed bullet train that decided to take a vacation on the road. The front end is where Bugatti makes their boldest statement. You get that iconic horseshoe-shaped grille integrated beautifully into the nose of the vehicle with chrome detailing around it. Above that sits an enormous panoramic wraparound windshield that curves up and over the roofline, giving the cockpit a glass dome feel that is absolutely futuristic. The LED headlight strips are razor-sharp and form tight angular halos around the front face, giving it an incredibly aggressive yet elegant look. Even at night when those lights fire up, it looks like something from another dimension. Along the sides you will notice a row of oval porthole windows finished with polished chrome frames, and these run along the upper coach section of the vehicle, adding a nautical luxury yacht feeling to the overall design. The chrome body trim lines run the entire length of the vehicle from front to rear, and they create this beautiful sense of motion even when the vehicle is standing completely still. Down below you have massive wide body haunches sitting over ultra-low profile tires mounted on matte gunmetal forged alloy wheels, and everything about this stance just screams power and confidence. Moving to the rear, the tail is just as dramatic. You get a full-width LED tail light bar that glows in signature Bugatti red and wraps across the entire back of the vehicle. The rear fascia has a brushed titanium diffuser panel, and the Bugatti EB badge sits proudly centered on the tail. Every angle of this vehicle rewards you with a new detail, and that is what true luxury design is all about. Now stepping inside, and this is where the Bugatti camper truly separates itself from anything else in the world. The moment the door swings open, you are greeted with the smell of hand-stitched white leather and the warm glow of ambient blue lighting that runs along every surface. The cockpit area features a fully digital instrument cluster with Bugatti circular gauge designs and an enormous curved ultra-wide touchscreen that spans the full width of the dashboard. The steering wheel is flat-bottomed with carbon fiber spokes, sapphire glass touch buttons, and a chrome EB center badge. This feels less like a motorhome and more like the cockpit of a private jet. Moving into the living space, and the design language remains consistently breathtaking. The lounge area features a custom curved white quilted leather sofa with Bugatti blue accent pillows, polished walnut flooring, a chrome and glass coffee table, and a large curved OLED entertainment screen. The kitchen galley comes with Calacatta marble countertops with gold veining, a built-in induction cooktop, an integrated wine refrigerator with glass doors, and even a built-in espresso machine. Everything is finished in white gloss lacquered cabinetry with polished chrome Bugatti hardware. The master bedroom suite is pure indulgence. You get a queen-size bed with a Bugatti blue quilted leather headboard featuring the EB monogram stitching, crisp white premium linens, built-in nightstands with wireless charging, and a panoramic ceiling skylight that lets you fall asleep under the stars. Every single element of this interior has been crafted to the highest standard of luxury imaginable. Now let us talk performance, because Bugatti does not just make things look good, they make them perform. The 2026 Bugatti camper concept is expected to be powered by an advanced hybrid powertrain combining a twin-turbocharged W12 engine paired with dual electric motors, producing a combined output of around 1,500 horsepower. This gives the vehicle a top speed that is simply unprecedented for a motorhome-class vehicle. The air suspension system automatically adjusts to road conditions, keeping the ride silky smooth regardless of the surface beneath you. The all-wheel drive system ensures total traction and confidence at all speeds. Now the question everyone is asking is, what does something like this cost? The 2026 Bugatti luxury camper concept is expected to carry a starting price in the range of $3 million to $5 million depending on customization options and regional market availability. And honestly, when you see what you are getting for that money, it starts to make a strange kind of sense, because there is truly nothing else like it on Earth. This is not just a vehicle. This is a statement. This is art. This is engineering and luxury combined into one single unforgettable experience, and Bugatti has once again proven to the world that they do not follow trends, they create them. That is all for today on MH Car Review. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and drop a comment below telling us what you think about the 2026 Bugatti luxury camper. We will see you in the next one.